Amazon Prime has announced their big deal days for 2023. There are elevated offers on both Marriott Bonvoy cards and Chase business cards, and I've got an interesting story today related around finance and marriages and a lot of other fun details. I can't wait to share those with you. I'm Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Thank you so much for watching. These episodes come out every Sunday evening, and my goal is to catch you up on all the news you may have missed regarding credit cards, points and miles, travel, money, finance, and everything in between. It is super simple to follow along. On one side of the screen, you'll see a list of topics with a timer down below and timestamps down in the description below. If you do find this video helpful or mildly entertaining, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notifications for alerts, and keep in mind if you're interested in any cards mentioned in today's video, or any card for that matter, make sure you apply using my referral link down in the description below. When you apply using that referral link, it greatly helps support the channel, and I can't thank you all enough for doing that so far. I am having issues with my microphone setup today, so please look past that if you can, because the news here is really awesome. I can't wait to share it with you. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. First things first, Amazon has announced their Amazon Prime big deal days for 2023. So this is basically a big sales event for Prime members to kick off the holiday shopping season, and it will take place on October 10th and 11th, beginning at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 10th. And there is a teaser page for that on the Amazon website right now. And it's also worth mentioning American Express is bringing back their membership week for 2023. As of right now, we don't have a lot of details on exactly what that's going to look like in terms of the American Express membership week, but as more details come out, we will certainly pass those along. The holiday season is coming up. It'll be here before you know it, and Amazon Prime big deal days are a great opportunity to take advantage of some great offers that may help you save money this holiday season. Let me know if you've taken advantage of this before down in the comments below. American Express has elevated offers on 2 of their Marriott Bonvoy cards. And right now on the Bonvoy Bevy card, you can earn 125,000 points after $5,000 in spend in the first 6 months. Now there's a $250 annual fee with this card. You do get a free night reward every calendar year after $15,000 spend within that calendar year. Overall, this is an okay deal, but by no means is it the best one we've ever seen. And there is another Marriott Bonvoy elevated offer I want to make sure you're aware of. So on the Bonvoy Brilliant card, you can earn 2 free night certificates good on properties up to 85,000 points when you spend $6,000 within the first 6 months. Now, something to keep in mind is that this card carries a $650 annual fee. So when you see this offer, I wouldn't get too excited about it, because frankly, there have been better elevated offers on this card when the annual fee was $200 less. So for me, this is just a warning for you that when you see these, I wouldn't be fooled by them. In my opinion, there have been better offers before. I would wait for something else. But if you're a Marriott loyalist and you want to pick up a card, you can certainly look at these. I just wouldn't jump at it if it's 50-50 with what you want to do moving forward. Chase has elevated offers on their Ink business cards that I think you do want to pay attention to. The Ink Cash and the Ink Business Unlimited right now have offers of 90,000 points after $6,000 in spend within the first 3 months of account opening. And you know from watching this channel, I'm a big fan of collecting Chase Ultimate Rewards, and this is a great way to do it with 2 different no annual fee cards. I really like the Ink Unlimited card because it has 1.5 times points on all purchases. It's a great catch-all card, and if you're interested in getting into the business card space, both of these cards are really good starter cards because they're no annual fee. So if you want to get started in the business space, definitely take advantage of these. I love Chase Ultimate Rewards. I essentially think of them as World of Hyatt points because that's what we end up using them for when it comes to transfer partners. But let me know if you plan on taking advantage of either one of these offers down in the comments below. I would definitely do it. If you're in the market for it, pick one up. And if you already have one of these 2 cards, let us know which one is your favorite down in the comments below. Capital One has a bank offer that I want to remind you about that has been extended through January of 2024. Right now, Capital One has extended their bank bonus offer to January 9th, 2024, where you can earn a $350 bonus after you make 2 direct deposits of $250 or more into that account. Now, this is a really, really easy offer to hit, an easy way to pick up $350. And hey, here's something to consider as well for those of you that have the ability to do this. You can certainly take your entire paycheck and move it over to direct deposit into this account, but a lot of us out there have the option to split our direct deposits into different accounts. So in some cases, you can say, hey, I want my direct deposit of $250 to go into the Capital One account, and then the rest of it can go into my regular bank account. You can do that, do this twice within the first 75 days of opening the account, and then you'll be able to pick up the $350 bonus. These bank bonuses are a great way to help offset the cost of annual fees associated with credit cards. $350, that goes a long way. Let me know if you've taken advantage of any bank offers this year, or if you're planning on taking advantage of this one down in the comments below. Each week on the Weekly Pointers News Update, I like to share a story as it relates to credit cards or finance or money and how that intersects with relationships and how it impacts just a lot of different areas here. And this week there was a poster online that I want to share their story and get your opinion on because they're trying to figure out if they're blowing things out of proportion or if they are right for being upset. So the wife posted online, it's a husband and wife, the wife posted online that in order to save money for their family because they're going through financial hardship right now, she has decided to make lunch for her husband, who works very hard every day, by the way. She did want to mention that. He works very hard, so she makes his lunch every day to help cut back on costs. Well, one day the husband invites some of his coworkers over to the house just for a small gathering to hang out, and one of the coworkers casually mentions, "Hey, I really love those sandwiches you make for your husband every day." And the wife says, "Okay, that sounds great." And then another one of the coworkers says, "They taste so delicious. What do you put in the sandwiches to make them taste so good?" And the wife becomes suspicious. He's like, "Why in the world are these other guys eating my husband's sandwich?" So after everyone leaves, she asks her husband basically, "Hey, why is everybody else eating your food at lunch? I'm very confused. You seem like you get to eat at lunch, but yet your coworkers are helping you eat your lunch." Well, the husband finally confesses and basically says, "Honey, I've been selling my lunch at work every day, and then I take that money and I go out and get fast food with it." This really upsets the wife because she says, "Hey, I'm not making food for your coworkers. I'm putting the time and effort into it to make food for you." Now, on the other hand, the husband is saying, "What difference does it make? I'm still eating and we're not spending extra money on fast food because I'm literally just taking the money they're giving me and going to a fast food restaurant. So we're not out any extra money. No harm, no foul. What's the big deal?" So this is where I ask you, what do you think is the right thing to do in this case? Should the husband eat the lunch that's made for him by his wife? Is the wife blowing it out of proportion by saying, "Hey, I made that for you, not your coworkers"? The husband is saying that, "Hey, it's not costing us anything." A lot of different ways to look at this. I'm curious to hear what you have to say about this because, again, it's not a big money decision, but this just goes to show how little money problems or little money situations can cause big blow-ups in a relationship. So let me know what you think about this one down in the comments below. I think it's an interesting situation. I can't wait to hear your take on it. And if you're familiar with the Weekly Pointers News Update, you know I like to end the show on a good food deal. This week is no exception. This week I've got a couple for you. So first, to celebrate National Quesadilla Day on September 25th, Chipotle and DoorDash have partnered to deliver 20,000 free handcrafted quesadillas to Dash Pass members on orders of $25 or more. Now, keep in mind, you can try DoorDash free for 30 days if you sign up. I have a feeling these quesadillas will go very fast, so keep an eye, put this date in your calendar. Now, on another note, Dunkin' Donuts is offering a free premium sips reward. Basically, you can try their new Ice Spice Munchkins drink or choose from a small, medium, or large frozen drink or signature latte. This is going to be on the rewards app, so you should be able to go on there right now and find that offer if you're already part of the Dunkin' Donuts rewards program. So a couple of good food deals, make sure you take advantage. Well, this has been a very fun episode. My apologies again for the microphone debacle. There's literally nothing I could do about it, but I did want to get this news out to you, and hopefully you found it helpful. We talked about elevated offers from Chase, also American Express with the Marriott Bonvoy cards, and I'm curious to hear what you have to say about the story about the husband who was selling his lunch to his coworkers in order to get money for fast food. Fascinating stuff. There's an endless supply of interesting money stories online, and I love sharing these with you every week. Keep in mind, if you're interested in any of the cards mentioned in today's video, or any card for that matter, make sure you apply using my referral link down in the description below. When you apply using that referral link, it greatly helps support the channel. Can't thank you all enough for doing that so far. If you found this video helpful or mildly entertaining, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification for alerts, and when you click on the Brandon Boyd Show, click, you're going to get the latest information on credit cards, points and miles, travel, money, finance, free quesadillas, and everything in between. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. We'll see you soon.